So in the last video, I bought this Mondeo ST200 with 160,000 miles on the clock, and it was an ex-Ford press car. But one thing it needed was desperately tyres. So honestly, these tyres are not safe and they are properly worn. The cracking is all the way through the tread, but that's not the worst. Oh dear. That, ladies and gentlemen, is cut. So yeah, these tyres were dangerous, sketchy and 100% illegal. So the first job is definitely get some nice new tyres on the ST. When it comes to tyres, it's an absolute minefield for cars. Basically, don't buy the cheapest. If you want to buy the dearest, go for it. Personally, I like a good mid-range tyre. I went for the Redstein Ultrac Plus Summer Sports tyres. I had a look on tyre reviews. These are the ones I went for. Very good price. Seem to be a very good mid-range tyre. They should be nice for the ST. Brakes and pads look okay. Chassis, good. Oh, that's the bad tyre. Chassis, all good. Springs, good. Dampers, good. Oh yeah. Nice discs. Plenty of meat left on the pads. Really don't like them green calipers. Good. That is just absolutely dangerous. So that's two tyres fitted. So what we're going to do now is we're going to balance them two, get them on, and then I'll do the same again. Not bad. Perfect. Wheel two, repeat. No weight again. Ooh, that one's out. That one's out a lot. My bad. There was some weight on it. Now there's no weight on it. Ah, that's not too bad. That's more like it. Someone had overweighted that up. Perfecto. Wheel 2. Done. Walk the nuts on first, don't forget. 2. 3. Wheels are done, back on. So while it's in the air, I thought it would be rude not to have a quick squint underneath. Red oxide, because it's had some welding and repairs done, but it's all fine. All the arms are clean, sills have been welded, that's fine. All under seal, tank looks good. Tons of under seal, ah well. Exhaust, that's okay. It's got a cat. Nice repair to the flexi there. Main thing, don't look like any oil leaks. Oh, nice new water pump. Oh, lovely. Very nice. So I'm happy with that. Also, the wipers were shot, so we're swapping them. Lovely. Good Bosch wipers. Lovely. Tyres fitted, wheels balanced, quick check underneath, wipers done. Next thing to do, a test drive, see how it drives. You join me the next morning, it's nice and early, it's 20 past 7. And I'm on my way to work. So I thought, ooh, what better way to check the tyres than a route I always do. Just cold started it, got in it straight away. They're definitely a little bit quieter. Obviously you can't test the grip yet, they're still brand new. Steering feels a little bit lighter on these tyres. But I did find out the other tyres were mega low on pressure, so that won't have been helping. Wipers are good. Smoother, definitely smoother. Turning's definitely a little bit sharper. Used to never quite want to go where you put it. I'd say up to now, overall, nice choice on the tyres. So I hope you've enjoyed episode 2. Next, still need to sort this suspension out because it is so crashy. So we're going to have a look at maybe swapping some springs, a couple of bushes. Like and subscribe. Click somewhere for more videos. See you next time.